gonna pull on the side so I can record all the bikes. Hold on. Alright, so we got an extended windshield for the Harley, and I will probably use it on a beamer too in the winter, because the Harley windshield is a little bit low and it interferes with the mic when I do vlogging. Alright, I'm back. We're approaching Corinth Canal. And babe, hello. Alright, so I got this little extension. Most of the ones I found was too big. This one, I think it will fit fine. Okay, and it has an adjustable system. We're gonna see it in a minute. It's got this hardware here. Let's take a look. It was not very expensive, no. I think it was like 40 bucks, something like that. That's not too bad, just in case I don't want it. Alright, it has a lever, so you can, you don't have to use tools, just take it up and down and adjust it. You can also adjust the ankle. And looks like, okay, looks like this goes on the old windshield. Yes, and this one, oh, okay, this one goes on this. Alright, like that probably, yeah, because this is symmetrical. Okay. We're gonna find out how we tension that in a minute. And let's see what's in this one here. An Allen key and a screwdriver. Okay, good. This is what I want. This is the rubber, so you don't scratch your existing windshield. And looks like these are spacers. I think these are spacers. Probably they're going in here or something. We're gonna find out. Yes, I think they do. Alright, so let's figure out what exactly was going on here. Okay, looks like this piece is here. Yes. Okay, good. So we have some kind of like rubber between the metal and the plexiglass. So it will survive the vibration of the Harley. All right. So maybe I put a little bit something here too, but let's figure out first. I think it's got to go like that. And I might find some rubber washers for the top too, but for right now, just so we can figure out what's going on with that. Looks like I'm going to just tension it temporarily. And the reviews I found on the internet, it was very positive for this little one here. So that's the reason I'm doing the video for you. And of course I'm going to be doing some testing. But there's a couple of videos on YouTube there to find out what the people think about, on the motorcycle. Right now we just have to figure out how the thing works. So, a puzzle, okay. It's common sense. You don't want to scratch your existing windshield, okay, or windbreaker. So what they have designed is this is thick little rubber. It's not bad. It's pretty good. You insert it here, all right, and the other side you just flip it over like that. You see how it goes, and then you put it in and you tension this. But to tension this, you have to put inside here these little plates so you don't tension your existing plexiglass and break it. Okay, that's what I will do. That's how I will design that. Okay, so you see what's going on here? You have the little metal plate, this one in here, so you don't squeeze your fiberglass and crack it. This it will symmetrically squeeze the fiberglass from the rubber. Alright, so that's very smart. It's not bad. It has one washer on one side and one large washer on the other side. Can we see it? Okay. What you need to do with that is you put it on the way, this is going to go down, so we're going to go this way up. Okay. And then we put it inside here. We'll just put it inside here. And from the other side, we'll put the washer. I might put a little thicker washer here. This is like too thin for my taste, for this kind of job. Okay. And then we put the bolt. It's correct now. I'm going to tie a little more this one so you can see it. Alright, check it out. We'll put this later. You open that, you can actually adjust this up and down and tilt it. You see that? It's not bad. It's pretty smart. Alright. Check it out. This is how it goes. Okay. Let's see how thick this is, because we're having a little problem. That's 3 millimeters. That's the problem. This is very thin. So I have made a little plastic, hard plastic insert that it's gonna go here to reduce the space a little bit. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna work. Okay. I haven't tensioned yet. I'm take my time. The thing is like slightly moving. Yeah, right here. So, you know, the thing is not really working good. Let me show you what I have done. I cut these things completely and just put them on the other side. Alright? And then I got a very thick strap. I just cut it. So this is gonna work like a cushion against the windshield, right? And the hard plastic, it's gonna be pushing it, so it won't damage the glass. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's try it. You know, the worst scenario, I'm just gonna put it, you know, take it off. But I want it. Okay, so we have the plastic, we have the strap, and the other thing I'm worried about is the Harley is it's a high vibration machine. That's why I'm doing all this, you see now, because you know, you probably, I don't want to lose it on the road and hit somebody. Alright, so it looks now it might be better. I'm going to try to tension symmetrically. Yes, I have the liquid for mosquitoes. Okay, so you see that? It should be working like this. And this is the other bolt. Okay, I put the washer here. So let's see. Now the thing is loose. You see now? It's tensioned. But I have to tension more actually. I just want to show you how it works. And this has to go a little bit down so I can reach it. Okay, so I just tension the lever bolt a little bit more, and I put this a little bit lower. As you can see, it's moving. I don't want it to be too high, I just want it like about, 3 inches. So that bolt has to go this way, alright? And this is pretty stiff right now, but you know what? I'm not really very happy. I took it off. Let me turn it around maybe. Let me see here. You see, this is really hard right now. And I want it like this actually. But because I don't want to, stop on the side of the road fixing it all the time. So this looks like, you see how stiff it is? Little bit turn here. And that thing becomes really stiff. Okay, let's tension this bolt too. I think we're good right here. We'll have to find some kind of like plastic washers to put here, otherwise that thing is gonna break. Alright, bye-bye. This was in the package to reduce vibration, and on the top I'm gonna use this hard plastic so I can tension the shorter bolts this time. And in a later time I'm gonna take it off, put a little bit Loctite. I don't have, I ran out, unfortunately. Okay. I'm gonna get a decent Allen key. Alright, I got my beautiful snap-on set. Okay, so let me do the top first. Right there. So you see what it takes for the thing to be secure, right? And I'm not 100% it's going to hold, I'll be honest with you. Hopefully it's going to hold because, of course on a later time I'm going to put Loctite. Alright, so the idea was, let me tension this completely. I don't want to crack it, so I'm not going to go full force. Okay, let's look at it a little bit. It's not bad. A little bit, I have to straighten up a little bit. Right there. You see, it's not bad, but it's a little bit moving, so, for right now, it's okay. So if you're planning to get something like this, get a cheap one first, so you can try it. This is like $40. Just in case you have my problems. So you don't have to spend like, $200 for an original. Yes, that's how expensive this can be. I found from Duratec, like, I don't know, 100, from 125 all the way up to $200 for this little plastic thing. Okay. This is pretty steady right now. And I think it's not going to come off. If it doesn't come off, I'm going to put it in the bag and get rid of it. Thanks for watching, guys. It's not that bad, right? I kind of like it. I might lower a little more. Thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, put it in the comments there. If you want to ask any questions. And put a like, something there, so that people can, the algorithm of YouTube can bring it up, so people can see it. Alright, thanks a lot. Yeah, it's right here, okay? And I can bring it up and down a little bit. We'll see. Okay. It's not too bad.